Hello again.
Hello. So I had your lunch?
Yep, ready.
Good, good. Even I had my lunch. Mild one. Okay. So any question till now?
No, no.
Okay. See, you need to practice this. Okay.
Yeah,
You need to practice, analyze it, then only you will see. I'm teaching you is you're looking at this command desk, but in real you have to give the commands, right? So you need hands-on. So I
yeah,
suggest that you share your email address with me so I can send you the documents plus the image link also. And we'll wind up little early today so you can have the time to install and test it. And if you face any problem, just email me. Okay. So I'll come online. No problem. And I'll help you out with the installation part. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So now we saw ARGRP authentication, we saw ARGRP summary, we saw ARGRP neighbor command, okay, for unicast. Okay. So now what we have we will see is, let's check what we get. Is there more on it? There are more on it, right? ARGRP, okay. Uh, let's say distance command. Okay, distance, define an administrative distance. Okay, so suppose if I'm on R4, let me check the show IP route via GRP. So let's say I'm getting this 2.2.2. I want to increase the administrative distance of this one. Okay, so I can use and access this. Access this to permit 2.2.0, 0.0.25. Okay, then I can call it into GRP. Okay, GRP 100 distance. Okay, set the route distance. Okay, let's say I'll set it as 150. Okay, source address, it is coming from 10.1.24.2. Okay, exact wildcard bit. Okay, this it is coming from R2. Okay, and I'll apply my access list for which. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's check it is resync. Now you can check it. So IP route via GRP. Okay, so you can see that it is coming from where? It is coming from here. The route initially was coming from R2. Okay, it was coming from R2. Okay, but now the distance is 50 here and the route coming from here is 90. So it is coming from R3.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so you can see that if we trace it, the trace route 2.2.2.2 memory. Okay, you can see that it's going from downwards. Okay,
Okay.
but if I now if I give the command uh, for 34.2 also, sorry, 34.3 the IP from R3. Okay, even same command I use there. So two commands I've used. Let's check the AIGRP configuration. Section AIGRP. And yes, I have used two command to change the distance. And let's see now the distance command. So IP AIGRP. So we can see the distance. 150. Okay.
Okay.
So you can manipulate this way. I want some route coming from the other side, so I can increase the distance of the site. Okay. The site which I don't want, I can increase the distance of ERGRP, so the route will take the other path. Okay. Now you can see if you trace again, so you will see it is directly going to RP because now the prefix is same. Okay, prefix is same, AD is same. Okay, so I'm getting from router 2, which is my lower cost. Okay, so I will take the lower cost as my preferred path. Okay,
Okay.
this is the lower cost. Let's check on show IP topology, IP IGRP topology. So 2.2.2 is coming from one only. Okay. So this is your topology table. In this table, when you see a P, means passive.
Okay.
Passive means everything is all right. Okay. The topology table is stable. Okay.
Okay.
But when you see active A, that means that route is in some issue with that route, the prefix. Okay, and the dual algorithm is calculating. Okay.
Okay.
Likewise, you see update, you will see query, you will see reply. These are the packets type of ERGRT. Hello, update, query, reply, acknowledge. Okay, these are the packet types of ERGRT. Hello sends hello, update sends the update, query sends the query for a particular network or networks. Okay, reply is to the query. Okay, reply is generated only for the query. If I send you a query, you will reply me back. Okay, that is how ERGRT works. Okay.
Okay. So the OK flag is passive, then shows that everything is working as expected. And then if we see one of the other flags, then there is an issue, like reply or query, that is not responding one side or the other. Or okay.
Yes, correct. Okay. For this, suppose this network, if you see query, so I have this network information